In this video, we'll walk through how to create and submit an import declaration in Tax2Cargo. We'll cover how to fill in the declaration header, add contacts, shipping and transport details, create goods items, and understand declaration statuses and notifications. Creating a new import declaration. To begin, from the main screen, select Add New Declaration on the right-hand side. Choose Import as the declaration type. Tab 1. Declaration Basics. In Tab 1, we define the business scenario of the declaration. Here, fill in the procedure code, declaration category, and declaration type. When you're done, select Save to store your changes. These fields determine how the declaration will be processed by HMRC. All mandatory fields are clearly marked in color. You may also complete any additional optional fields if they apply to your scenario. Next, move to Tab 2, where we manage contacts. Here, you can either add a new contact or retrieve an existing one. Select which roles are required for this declaration, such as importer, exporter, declarant, representative, seller, or buyer. To reuse an existing contact, click Select and Search. When selected, all previously saved details are automatically filled in. If you edit a contact, you can either save it as a new contact or update the existing one. The Clear button removes the contact from this declaration, but does not delete it from the system. Moving on to Tab 3, this section covers shipping information, such as delivery terms and the location of goods. Mandatory fields are highlighted. Optional fields can be filled in if needed. For the location of goods, you can search for an existing location or add a new one. This is important when importing from different countries, as locations can vary. Tab 4. Transport information. In Tab 4, we enter transport details. This includes how the goods are transported, such as mode of transport and related information. All mandatory fields must be completed before continuing. Next, we move to the Items tab, where we add details for each goods item in the declaration. Item Tab 1. Item Basics and Accounting. In Item Tab 1, we link the item to the declaration. The fields available here depend on the business scenario selected earlier. In the Writing Off section, you can choose to postpone accounting, for example, to the end of the month. Item Tab 2. Origin, Destination, and Weight. Item Tab 2 covers the item's destination, country of origin, dimensions, and weight. These details are required to correctly assess duties and taxes. Item Tab 3. Parties and Fiscal References. In Item Tab 3, we define the parties involved in the transaction. Item Tab 4. TARIC and Commodity Codes. Item Tab 4 is where we enter TARIC and commodity codes. These depend on whether the goods are being imported or exported and determine how the goods are taxed. Item Tab 5. Valuation and Customs Value. In Item Tab 5, we define valuation details. Here, you enter the declared customs value, valuation method, and item price components. Item Tab 6. Taxes and Statistical Values. Finally, Item Tab 6 covers tax calculations, including tax type, tax base, and statistical values. Saving the declaration. After completing your changes, always remember to click Save in the top right corner of the declaration. When a declaration is saved, it is internally stored in the system, but not yet submitted. At this stage, you can edit the declaration, add or remove items, review and adjust any entered details as needed, or delete it entirely. Once you've completed the declaration and confirmed that all details are correct, click Submit. The declaration will then appear on the Declarations page with a submitted status, where it remains while awaiting a response from the Customs Authority. When a response is received, the declaration status updates to either cleared or rejected, and you'll receive a notification when the status changes. This completes the process of submitting an import declaration from start to finish. The best way to learn is by doing, so we recommend logging into Tax2Cargo and trying a declaration yourself. If you need help along the way, our support team is always available. Thanks for watching.